It's a new 2023 Cadillac XT4. Cross out your old expectations of crossovers. The XT4 is a moving statement of big utility and plentiful features in a compact package. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, external memory control, remote engine start, leather steering wheel, configurable instrument gauges, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.